Hello, I'm Alejandro Perez from CGI Nerd, continuing our Zombie Horde playlist. We are diving into Houdini material style sheets, tailored for zombie hordes. We will be detailing the undead, ensuring that each zombie stands out uniquely. By mastering these steps, you'll control the look of every undead agent in your simulation. Let's start by splitting the scene view vertically for a better view of our interface. Navigate to the inspector and choose Data Tree. Now switch your view to Material Style Sheets. Create a new Material Style Sheet and name it appropriately. Expand the Material Style Sheet. Inside, create a new style. Right-click on the style and add Target. Set the target to Object. Add a condition and set the path to your agent. Choose Add Override. Set the override to Set Material. Before we go any further, we will need materials to be able to set our material for our style. Let's navigate to File, Import, Filmbox FBX. Select an FBX file that contains the materials for your agent. Jump into the Imported Object node. On the top right, access the Materials node. Copy the materials, paste them into the Scenes Materials section. From this point forward, we do not need the Imported FBX Geometry node, so we can delete it to clean up our scene. Now we can select a material in our Styles Set Material and render to test. Okay, now let's add a subtarget. Let's set that subtarget to primitive. Add a condition and set it to point group. This is used to specify your agent's name. If your agent needs multiple materials, we will need to set a subtarget. Then add a condition for your subtarget. Set your subtarget to primitive group. Now we can specify what material group this material will be applied to. Once you have created your first style in your material style sheet for this agent, you will also need to create a new style for each material your character requires. While the manual method offers control, I have a custom tool that significantly streamlines the process, ideal for extensive scenes or looming deadlines. For this process, we need to import your FBX file just like we did before. Copy the materials from the FBX file and import them into your scene's materials. With the Agent from Rig node selected, click Fetch Agent from Rig Node Data button. Select your FBX Character Import node, then click the Fetch Character Import Node Data button. Finally, hit the Create Material Style Sheets button. And that's it! In a few clicks, you've auto-generated a material style sheet. This tool is up for purchase for those interested in speeding up their workflows.